Hello friends, welcome to Quick Bites with Chef Walter, where we explore fascinating and unique foods from around the world. Today we're diving into a dish that is as intriguing and also polarizing. Its name is Hákarl from Iceland. Hákarl, also known as fermented shark, is a traditional Icelandic delicacy with roots that are deep in the island's history. This unique dish is made from the Greenland shark, which in its fresh state is toxic due to high level of urea and trimethylamine oxide. The process of creating Hákarl is a testament to the ingenuity of Icelandic preservation techniques. But let's look into how it's made. First, the shark is gutted and cleaned to remove all the harmful substances. Then, the clean shark meat is placed in a shallow hole dug in gravelly sand and covered with stones. This pressing process helps expel the fluids from the meat. The shark is left to ferment in this manner for 6 to 12 weeks, depending on the season. After that, there is step 3, which is the drying. After the initial fermentation, the meat is cut into strips and hung to dry for several months. This drying period can vary, sometime extending over a year. And once the meat is properly dried, it's ready to eat. The final product is a chewy, strong-smelling meat, often described as having an intense ammonia aroma. Traditionally, Hákarl is consumed during the midwinter festival Polarizing. It's typically served in small cubes, and due to its powerful taste and smell, it's very often accompanied by a shot of Brennivín, an Icelandic schnapps, to wash it down. Hákarl is a dish that truly embodies the spirit of Icelandic cuisine, reflecting both the resourcefulness and resilience of its people. While it might not be for everyone, it's a culinary experience that offers a deep connection to the island's heritage. Thanks for tuning in here on Quick Bites. Join us next time as we continue to explore the world's most intriguing food. Until then, happy tasting and discovery.